What is this?
The tiny tutor.
Why am I called the tiny tutor?
Because you're tiny and you use the tutor.
I'm Megan. I'm the tiny tutor.
This is the tiny tutor!
This is my daughter Mackenzie, but you can call her Mac.
I'm Mackenzie!
How old are you, Mac?
6 years old.
What grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
So I'm tiny and I used to tutor. I am for 11 and a half. I've also been tutoring other people's kids for almost 2 decades now. What is it? What are we doing on this channel?
It's a video how to teach kids how to read because most kids don't know.
Okay. Kids what age?
6. Any kind. I can read the whole thing.
The Tiny Tutor is a place for parents to go to learn fun, quick, and easy ways to support their kids' learning at home. We're going to be doing weekly tutorials on this channel where we're going to give you tricks and tips and games and strategies and all kinds of tools for early reading and math development. We believe that, what kind of steps, Mac?
Tiny steps have big effects.
That's right.
Tiny steps have big
effects. The ultimate goal here is to make all of you parents out there with young kids feel massively confident about teaching your child, so that your child can feel
massively confident about learning.
We want you to feel massively confident about learning.